Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on an exciting journey to unbox and review the highly anticipated O'Neill ONS POHNPEI 002P sunglasses. In this comprehensive video, we will provide you with an in-depth overview of these sunglasses. As we carefully unbox the O'Neill ONS POHNPEI sunglasses, we invite you to share in the anticipation and excitement that comes with revealing this stylish eyewear. The packaging exudes a sense of quality and craftsmanship, setting the stage for a truly remarkable product. With each layer unwrapped, we get closer to experiencing the sophistication and functionality these sunglasses have to offer. Once the box is opened, we are greeted by the O'Neill ONS POHNPEI sunglasses in all their glory. The first thing that catches our attention is the sleek and elegant metal frame, which not only adds durability but also enhances the overall aesthetics of the sunglasses. Crafted with precision, this frame ensures a comfortable fit while exuding a sense of modern sophistication. Moving on to the lenses, we are presented with a stunning pair of mirror blue glasses. These lenses go beyond the ordinary by offering three types of protection: UV protection, polarization, and anti-reflection. The UV protection shields your eyes from harmful UVA and UVB rays, safeguarding your vision during sunny days or outdoor activities. The polarization feature reduces glare, allowing for enhanced visual clarity, while the anti-reflection coating minimizes distractions caused by reflections, ensuring a crisp and clear view. The aviator shape of the O'Neill ONS POHNPEI sunglasses adds a touch of timeless elegance. This classic design complements a wide range of face shapes and personal styles, making it a versatile accessory for any occasion. Whether you're lounging by the pool, strolling through the city streets, or enjoying outdoor adventures, these sunglasses effortlessly elevate your look while providing essential eye protection. When it comes to performance, these sunglasses truly shine. The combination of UV protection, polarization, and anti-reflection ensures optimal eye comfort and visual clarity in various lighting conditions. Whether you're enjoying outdoor sports, driving under intense sunlight, or simply relaxing in the sun, you can rely on the O'Neill ONS POHNPEI sunglasses to provide the necessary protection and visual enhancement. In conclusion, the O'Neill ONS POHNPEI sunglasses are a remarkable choice for those seeking a harmonious blend of style and functionality. With their durable metal frame, timeless aviator shape, and mesmerizing mirror blue lenses, these sunglasses offer UV protection, polarization, and anti-reflection, making them an essential accessory for any fashion-forward individual. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.